Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial which is about internet. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard internet protocol suite to serve billions of users worldwide. On October 24, 1995, the Federal Networking Council unanimously passed a resolution defining the term Internet. The FNC agrees that the following language reflects our definition of the term Internet. Internet refers to the global information system that first is logically linked together by a globally unique address space based on the Internet Protocol or its subsequent extensions. Second is able to support communications using the Transmitter Control Protocol or Internet Protocol Suite or its subsequent extensions or other Internet Protocol compatible protocols. And third is provides, uses or makes accessible either publicly or privately high-level services layered on the communications and related infrastructure described herein. Let's see some applications of the Internet. There are some traditional core applications like email, news, remote login, and file transfer. World Wide Web is the most popular application of the Internet. There are some new applications like video conferencing, telephony, P2P applications, and Internet broadcast. Next is who on the Internet. First is Internet Society. It is founded in 1992. It is an international non-profit professional organization that provides administrative support for the Internet. ISOC is the organizational home for the standardization bodies of the Internet. Next is Internet Engineering Task Force. It is the forum that coordinates the development of new protocols and standards. It is organized into working groups that are each devoted to a specific topic or protocol. Next is IRTF. The Internet Research Task Force is composed of a number of focused, long-term and small research groups. Next is Internet Architecture Board. It is a technical advisory group of the Internet Society that provides oversight of the architecture for the protocols and the standardization process. And the last is the Internet Engineering Steering Group. The IESC is responsible for technical management of Internet Engineering Task Force activities and the Internet Standards process. Standards are composed of the area directors of the IETF working groups. This was the introduction about Internet. Thank you.